flashing my teeth, yeah, selling my mojo, waiting in cash, cause people saying yo, and
I love to cook, and with my rheumatoid arthritis, which I've had since diagnosed when I was 20, it whacked me and I got the joint deformity, and of course it affects your grip. And because I love to cook, I had great difficulty gripping a knife. A lot of people who do food prep have got conditions like that. You can see just very light. I mean, something like cooking, it's got to be enjoyable. If it's not enjoyable, if it's not fun, then yeah, it's just hard work. So I just I had a problem, so I was going to fix it. Because I had limited hand function and I needed both hands basically, that's when I thought, well, actually the bar will provide me that second hand, if you like. A lot of the sales comes through via occupational therapists, so I basically just ship it direct to those customers. And so you can imagine for visual impaired, they're very tactile. They know where the point of the knife is, and then they can just engage and stay in contact with the blade of a knife. Use any size knife. You can go from a small 8-inch right through to, well, in this case, a 12-inch. That's how it will arrive. So it comes with instructions on how to use it. You can actually just wash it and rinse it and let it air dry rather than have to dry it yourself.